everybody. What's going on? My name is Shauna, and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How's everybody doing out there? Well, as you see, I am laying and I'm chilling in the sun. Oh, the sun really does the body good, guys. If you get a chance, take you a quick vacation and just relax in the sun if you get a chance. Oh gosh. I mean, even if you go to your backyard, pull out that lawn chair and just take that moment. It's so important. I find the sun, wow. Okay, I know in some parts of the world the sun is very strong, and so therefore you have to take care. You gotta take care of your beautiful skin, So, yes, this is how I'm starting my day off. It is 10:44 in the morning, and as you see, I've done my makeup, done a video for that, so you guys go check that out. And yeah, I really don't know what's on the agenda today, but I'll show you all how I spend my days, or how we spend our days on Fuerteventura. Yes, so I'm going to give you another view of our swimming pool area, and I'll see you guys later. Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm sitting up here chilling and relaxing, and oh my gosh, I'm really enjoying myself and the peace and the sun. Oh gosh, you guys, you have no idea what that does for the mind, the body, and the soul. And I'm sitting up here thinking to myself, while the kids are away and out to play, I had a few things on my mind, a few topics that I would really like to share with you all, talk to you all about. Yes, I'm going to get comfortable. I don't feel like going out on the terrace right now, but I probably will in a bit, just so you guys can see the beautiful view. Oh, this is so relaxing. Oh my gosh, I can't. Oh wow. Yes. Excuse me, guys. I got a piece of hair in my mouth. Anywho, yes, my topic today is dealing with disappointment. And what I mean by disappointment, less, disappointment in people, maybe situations. And I wanted to give you all some tips. Maybe I can help somebody out today on how to deal with, disappointment. Say you met somebody, or maybe perhaps you know somebody already, and you put all your faith and hope into this person and they let you down. Oh no. Well, I'm going to tell you how I deal with it. For me, and trust me, I've had several disappointments, but I see it this way. Nobody's perfect. I'm sure I also let people down, and nobody's perfect. So you gotta, first of all, keep that in mind, that, we all make mistakes and everybody has their reasons. Some sometimes we tend to just think about ourselves and only ourselves and only our situation, and maybe that matters, and maybe you are the type of person where you think, oh my gosh, you know, I put all my faith and hope and this person didn't come through, or whatever it may be. Well, one thing that helps me is I try to stand back and see, well, heck, maybe this person is going through something themselves, or maybe it's just not the time and place. Maybe they don't have the capacity or are able to do what I think that they should and could do. Whatever it may be, maybe they're going through something. So I have to, yeah, take myself out, and I know that, yeah, I know that maybe I might be going through something, whatever, but I also have to stand back and perhaps look at their situation, and maybe they just weren't able to. Maybe they have their reasons, and maybe they're not able to come out and be, and say, look, I just can't. Not everybody is equipped to say no, or maybe they really want to help you or do something for you, be there for you, or, you just never know. So for me, what helps, what I want to say with this is, maybe you should stop taking the expectations out of people. And sometimes meditation might help you, or prayer might help you, or affirmations might help you. Oftentimes the problems that we might be experiencing, maybe the answer's already within us. Maybe we don't need to go to somebody else to bail us out of a situation, or whatever it may be. I believe that we're all equipped, with answers, and solutions are, same word, are all around us. Sometimes we just have to look deep within, or step back, meditate, ask the higher hierarchy, or God, or whoever it may be, who you go to when you have problems, to send us help. And to maybe you can solve it yourself. Sometimes you need a moment to just sit back, and oftentimes when we have problems and stuff, we want to react real fast, because problems are sometimes like hot, like a hot rock. You want to get rid of it real quick. So what do? You try to throw it out as soon as possible, and you try to go to the closest person, or whatever, that's next to you that can help you out, or whatever, instead of just calming down, calm down, relax, breathe, step back, and check out the situation and see, okay, how can I, dissect it, you know, see how you can solve the problem yourself, you know. Okay, it does feel good to go run to somebody, and you want to have somebody to talk to. Yeah, you want to be validated through your experience. That's normal. But yeah, oftentimes we have the answers within us. We just have to, not react so hesitant. Is it a word? Hesitant? No, not hesitant. Not hesitant. That's not the word I want to use. You know, we should react so fast, out of impulse. That's the word I want to use. Don't react so impulsively. Step back, sleep on it a night, think about it, and you'd be surprised that everything that you're going through, or whatever it may be, you have the answer already within you. have faith in yourself, believe in yourself, believe in the decisions that you make. And heck, if you make a mistake and it was the wrong decision, then so be it. You're human too. We all make mistakes. So go easy on yourself, Don't be so hard. Don't be so hard on other people either, really. Like I said, we're all human beings and we all make mistakes. So, I don't know. I hope that helps you in overcoming disappointment in people. And yeah, don't take it too serious. Maybe that person just wasn't really, maybe that person just wasn't really meant to, be there to help you out. And maybe it was you the whole time, So, yes, I hope I was able to help somebody. I don't know, that topic's been on my mind because, yeah, I mean, we all go through disappointments. We all have those moments where we're just like, help! There's somebody around, I need help, You're out there swimming and you're like looking for that, somebody to throw a reef out to you. But maybe if you swim around, maybe that reef is already out there, Anywho, okay, so guys, let me show you my view again. I don't know, I just felt like sitting inside. Sometimes I'm like that. I don't know, I'm having one of those lazy days. And it really feels good to just be able to like do nothing sometimes. I know I said I wanted to go out, but I am really tired from traveling. That night I was so excited, and I swear that the night before traveling, it's always the case with me. I almost never sleep. I mean, I've got a billion things running through my mind. Okay, did I pack this? Did I do that? And just pure excitement. I mean, traveling is exciting. I mean, who's not excited about traveling? Yeah, and for me, I always like to, I gotta do my makeup, so I always have to get up an extra 1.5 hours or 2 hours earlier, and then I get the kids ready and stuff, and I get myself ready, so I always get up extra early, and our flight took off at 9 in the morning, so yes, I was up that morning at 3:30. Can you guys imagine? 3 freaking 30. What we do for beauty, okay? Oh my goodness. Yes, I was up at 3:30 in the morning, and that's okay. I'm not complaining. I'm happy every morning to be able to wake up, and you should too. Really. I mean, that's a blessing and a gift in itself to be able to wake up in the morning. Yeah, so I was up and doing my makeup, and yeah. And then I didn't go to bed. When did I go to bed the first night? I think I went to bed like at 11 o'clock this time. I gotta check it out and see which time frame I'm on. Oh gosh. However, Europe. Germany is an hour ahead of Spain, or at least Fuerteventura. So, of course, it was like midnight our time, so yeah. And then I woke up early in the morning, which I always do. My alarm clock went off. Forgot to stop it, so yes. Let me go on to the other side. It's kind of loud on that side. That's the car side where all the cars pull up. This is the quiet side. Here's nice, and that's where you see a nice view. You can sit outside and have a coffee or tea. Yes, a coffee or tea. Yes. Yes, it's a windy side. I hope you guys hear me good. I got some protection over my microphone, so I hope you all are able to hear me good. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. nature is absolutely gorgeous, I tell you. It's a beautiful thing. And you got the mountains on the backside. Yes. So who knows? I might go out. I'm just going to relax, perhaps take a nap, and then, yeah, maybe I go out with the kids and, I don't know, maybe go to the beach, have a night stroll or something. Anywho, I thought I would just share my thoughts, and thanks for joining me. And if you liked the video, if you liked the message, give it a thumbs up. Yes, I can use some thumbs up. And if you'd like to hear more from me, then subscribe. I'm really going to try to upload videos every day, especially now that I'm in Spain. I really want to, yeah. I want to share so much. I really want to show you this beautiful island that I'm on. It's an incredible island, and the people here are really nice, and yeah, it's just really, it's nice. Wow, I can imagine living here. Definitely. I mean, it's not like a party island, which is good. I like to party, but I'm gone from that like straight up party stage. I mean, there is an area where you can hang out, so it's not like crazy partying, but it's